shooting going in this at the same spot.
Meet the Mitchell family.
If it wasn't for him, we wouldn't have a vlog.
He's the vlogger king.
Good. He's a vlogger king. Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
Oh, in chorus. Oh my goodness. Today is Jackson's second day of pep.
And my last day.
Yeah. How was yesterday?
Good. Way better than I thought it would go. The tests were pretty easy.
Last week it was
Easy? I wouldn't say.
Manageable.
Okay. Well, you don't know till you know, right? But we do the best that we can. Last night we were reading, or you guys were reading, and we said our prayers about it. And now you just have to go in and do your
Best.
yeah.
I got to page 200. What was it again? 228.
Something like that.
Yeah, 228 in my Percy Jackson book.
Okay.
The Lightning Thief, the first one.
Yeah, you're doing great. And Atlas finished another book, or did you start the second book?
No, he finished all four.
Excellent.
He finished all four by
Ozzy, we did some reading yesterday too, didn't we, honey?
and there's no more.
Ivy, did we do reading too? Yeah, we all did some reading yesterday.
I sleep great last night.
I
The
love
first
to
one?
hear it.
Jackson, surprisingly, the first one was my favorite one.
Ozzy, I slept great last night.
It's a great.
Right, there you go. Ivy did not sleep great last night. Yeah, she was having a little
What did
bit.
mommy tell you?
No, she was having
Oh,
like
guys,
a little
guys.
drainage of some kind.
Guys, you know what the chapter I'm on is called? I became Supreme Lord of the Bathroom.
I took advice from a poodle.
Yeah.
I took advice from a poodle.
Yeah.
Okay. What should we listen to on the way today?
Ruby Robert.
Alright guys, so I worked out, I'm back home, I'm having my protein shake. I've already been in the room kind of just, seeing what's happening, trying to get everybody out of here today so that my cleaning crew can come in tomorrow. I've been having chats with Homemade to come and actually, help me with the construction cleanup. God bless Anastasia, who has done a couple site visits for me and has just kind of been like, okay, we can push back one day. Okay, let's push back another day, because we've had to change the days, trust me. But I'm hoping that her and her team will be in here starting tomorrow, and that the weekend we can just spend kind of cleaning, building up furniture, moving into the space, and we'll take it from there. But we'll see. Wayne and I are about to actually go on the road, because guess what we did not get yet? La-da-dee. A TV. Oh boy. Yes, people, a TV is going in the bedroom. After years of not working with a TV in our bedroom, we are putting the TV back in the bedroom. Can tell you the truth, one thing me and Wayne love do is watch movie. We love a show, and all of us as a family like to that. So we're going for it. So we're gonna go and try and get a TV. Where are we gonna get that, Mo? Price Mart? Yeah. Price Mart, don't it? Yeah. That seemed like a good place to get it. So
But we need a big one.
here she know.
Not a small TV, we need a big screen TV.
Hold on.
We need no small TV, we need a big screen TV. Big one.
Big
That
so.
you can see big people.
Yeah.
not
So
small
when we
people,
watch
big
a movie,
people.
Maureen,
Yes.
is a sound system in my room, so when we watch a movie in there, we are jumping up.
Theater.
Look here, girl.
Alright guys, boy, me never know say I saw you could have see a finish line and can't reach it. Eh? You look, and you see it, like they come like when them say duppy wall down in your bed. You're up and can't wake up. You wake up and can't move. But old people always say, one is one letter short of done.
What? No. Nobody says that.
And when you think you won, you haven't won.
Oh my God.
There's always one more thing to do. You never hear that them say?
No. Nobody has ever heard.
You understand what I say though?
No, I understand what you said, but nobody has ever said that.
You see the meds though?
Oh God.
Stay woke here.
Oh gosh. I want to go back to my bed, Reed.
Go back to bed, and the road is where we are led. That is it. All right, so we have a portion of things to do today. MTM. Up and down. Bare things. I don't know if Tami updated yet, but yes. So the guys are in there working, but you know, a finish is a finish. A finish is not 3/4, 4/5, or 5/6. So we're not gonna go in because we want to go in and the job not done. The job has to be complete, and then we say, all right, we have worked well, and the task at hand has been adequately completed, and we are ready to rest our heads comfortably. We won't rest our head comfortable until every liquor, and there's so many small details that go into making this room what we want it to be. So we just have to go and work with the program, go and do the dirt, and the thing is coming together though. It is coming together, and I feel like as we say, we're smelling it.
There's a reason why they said the devil is in the details.
Oh, that they mean all this time?
I think that's what they mean.
I know what them say about evil.
One word shot a devil, one letter shot a devil.
I'm trying to tell you, see, you start pre now. You just start understand life now. I'm gonna start give some itas through, you know, and some veggie chunks, you know. I make it work. I wonder if you can lock wood. Can rest it in around there. You understand? And we just start to well.
Your boy got a TV, y'all. Oh, Godwin.
Excitement.
For those of you who care to know, we got a 65-inch, which apparently is the diagonal length, not the actual
Height
width.
or width.
Yeah, that's like some girl math that I didn't know.
No, you know, I know it's half the battle.
Yeah, because the piece that goes under the TV was only 60 inches wide, so I was worried that the TV was going to be wider than the Chester drawers / credenza, and I was informed very quickly by our wonderful contractor that 65 inches actually meant diagonal.
Oh, and of course we took you guys' recommendations on board and got the Samsung. A lot of people are in the comment section. Samsung.
Yes.
Get the Samsung. Whatever. So
Yes.
yeah. So that's what we went with in the long
And we
run.
also went with just like a normal HD one, like a ultra HD, as opposed to like the Q, this or the that or the, you know, once you go into those realms, you're like paying double for the TV, you know, which we just don't need to do.
And guess what? I'm tell you, I don't like when my TV show too
You never know.
clean.
Make
Me
it.
no want to see the pimple them on the actor them face.
Wait, you know, when it's so clean, it look like it's a camcorder. Like it just look
For me,
weird.
the quality goes at a certain point, but
Yeah.
that's just me. I don't know. I don't like that whole modern look. And then no, that's not me. I prefer the standard
you can
look
change
good
though
thing.
in your TV that it doesn't do the old like the.
Really? It's old school or new
I
school?
don't know.
I'm old school then.
Yeah, we got some help with pickups today, so we don't have another pickup for right now, but we do have to go home and deliver this. Yes, the car seat is on top of it, but it's fine. We're just trying to, it's a weird place we're at. We're pushing, but we're also saying, all right, whatever will be kind of thing.
Exactly.
You know, like it's a bit of like, we'll do all that we can do, and then we have to also,
I'm not gonna make it raise up my pressure.
that is it, Wayne.
You know the band that. Your birthday come fast though.
Me say,
Okay, yeah,
me
Ivy.
say, I
Excitement.
can't believe it. I can't believe
But
it.
you're looking good. You're looking like a young girl these days.
Wayne.
Tell the truth. Comment section. She really look like she aged backwards.
Oh, that's nice of you.
Benjamin Button.
Thanks, babe. You know, yeah, I tell you what, make a big difference for me, Wayne?
What?
I don't smoke anymore.
You never know.
You see that smoking cigarettes up there? It make you look old and cold.
Real talk, smoking can give a greater face, you know.
No, Terry used to say to me all the time. Terry used to say to me, "You're looking old. Like you need to stop smoking." And I used to be like, "Psh, whatever." And literally, it's like my face plumped back out.
So I forgot to tell you about yesterday. A thing happened. And I say, look at that here. Me stay so boom now and say me I gotta go. I'm gonna set my mind on it for go X time. Then something start happening at the house and whatever. I say, you know what? Put it off little. Put it off little only to hear say shooting go on in this at the same spot. Drive by and beer thing, bullet a fly. And I said to myself, say, look at that. And my mother called me and said, Wayne, you know here say ray, yellow tape, bam bam bam. I said, when? She said, just look out. I said, Jesus, I'm crying. And then that's what I feel there. And I said, look how Father God good, because I just one mind say, no, make we put off that. And you know what I'm saying? I said, wow.
And you know how many times in life you either just have off that little voice as just, sure, I'm just paranoid, or I'm just being, you know.
Right, or go against it.
Or you don't listen to it at all.
Yeah, I don't listen to it at all.
But that is really your intuition. That is your still small voice. That is your, voice of God. You know, that is saying to you, hey, give it a second. You know.
Yeah.
You know, last night I was talking to a friend today, and we were talking about, you know, how parenting can take up so much time and energy and all this stuff. And I bring it up because last night the boys asked me, it wasn't enough for me to say one prayer. Them asked me to say one prayer each.
Okay.
Everybody must get them own personalized prayer. And even though as they sleep, them want to hear Ozzy prayer.
Ozzy did get a prayer too.
Yeah, man.
So
and then three prayer, not just one for 4.
Okay. One to
and not just 4, sorry, for 5. Because you better believe me, I have to pray for Gia too. And I have to pray for Ivy, even though Ivy is sick. But meaning, normally when we say a prayer, it's just a prayer for everybody. No, they want them individual prayer. And I said to myself, I said, you know what is true? Let me do it, because their own still small voice is speaking to them too, and they want to, you know, have their own like a personal. And part of the prayer is that they will hear that voice and be connected to that and be guided. Because you know, we need that in this life, and we need to, you know, tune into it. It saved you, and you don't know, you know.
Anyway, I just thought I would share that with you because it was actual like crime scene, murder and beer thing.
Yeah, and it's a reminder as well that, you know, tune up your intuition, however you choose to do that. Look here, Grumpy had to come back.
Let me tell you where see, Grumpy wife is a big first cousin. So the question every night him go in. You fix the people in place good and proper. The people in place done. We can't wait for the reveal video. So Rochelle, thank you for your work we have put in overtime for a year. Him start going good now.
Grumpy?
Hey, guys, we're back first cousin on the road, you know. And them I tell you, say, yo, them I wait on the room, you know. And them I say, yo, where the thing reach, how we stay. But as we said earlier, we just go and make sure say all of the details them sort out, and we do it in the right time, not a rush time. So I say, so with that on it, man, don't worry. What you can rest assured about is that we are working assiduously. You try know. Alright, so road again, hardware.
And then Ozzy.
And then Ozzy.
My God. Ozzy, you scored a goal?
5.
5. That's awesome. Where did this rain come from?
It's true.
It came from the clouds.
That's right. You have enough space back there? Alright, can you put on your seatbelt, please? We're waiting for Atlas, okay?
I don't know where it is.
Yes, you do. Put it on, please. Here comes Atlas.
Mommy?
Yes, Baba.
Can I watch go dinosaur.
Go dinosaurs. Okay.
Oh my god, the door is open.
Hi.
Open for you. Right, but guess what? Guess what?
What is it?
Let me call her right back.
Thank you, Mr. Spence. Say thank you to Mr. Spence, please. Sorry about that, Alice.
Wet.
Is that in your way?
Yes.
All right. When we get home, we'll catch up. Seatbelts on, please, boys.
Hey, Babsy. Babsy, wake up. You wake up? Take out Susu and give Daddy a kiss now. Nah, thank you. Today I was Jamaica second round World Cup qualifier. What happened? What you want? Water? What you want? Use your words. Take out the Susu and tell me. Take out Susu and tell me. What you want? What? Tell me now. Tell me words. Yeah, Jamaica going good. We are lead 1-0 so far. So we're off to a good start. Hi, Bear. What you did in those shoes? Where you get those shoes from? Oh man, those are big boy shoes. Those aren't girl shoes. Those are your brother's shoes. Aussie shoes that. Oh, your foot get into that. Eh? So, what's the latest?
Just trying to hustle. As you can hear, they're still going. You wiping your nose, mommy? Good girl. What's the latest with you? Jackson should be home soon. I see it, baby.
Jamaica have a breakaway now, live. This is the latest with me. Cheese and peace. Sorry, baller. The baller just draw a penalty a while ago. And unfortunately, Bobby Reed missed the penalty, but we are going decent. It's 1-0, but we should have scored a little while. Watch out. The keeper, you are going bad. Come on, boys.